Hello, this is Dwayne from Dwayne Outdoor Adventures. Please like and subscribe. It's March 6, 2026. Got my first gobbler response March 5th. It was on camera, but I got a closer response off camera. So I'm going to try to get any kind of responses tonight on camera. So please stay tuned. Bye-bye. Hello, I'm Dwayne from Dwayne Outdoor Adventures. Like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the footage. I hope you heard the gobblers a little bit better in this video. I was holding the phone in my hand and I was recording with a new camera that I got. It's called a Nuisk, N-U-I-S-K, and it's a Wi-Fi camera. Sports camera like, and it's better known as a thumb camera, and I'm learning it, so bear with me. But it's not too expensive. The sports camera is much more expensive than it is, and so far I'm happy with it. I have tested it in the woods and so forth. So continue to watch my videos. I know my live videos and my uploads tend to be a little bit longer than my short music videos, but I consider great sincerity of you out there, my viewers and wannabe subscribers. I really thank you a lot, and bear with me. Like I said, I try to give you as much information as I can. So stay tuned for more videos to come. Bye-bye.